Hello guys, I have a triple Avacyn restored for you today. Let's get it cracking. This is embarrassing, I can't open this pack. Man. I can't open this pack. There we go. At last. 20 seconds. Maybe something good in here that doesn't want to be opened. Nice. Fleeting Distraction, Uncanny Speed, Seraph of Dawn, Farbog Explorer, Nightshade Peddler, Thatcher Revolt's pretty cool. Put that up for you. Thatcher Revolt, pretty cool card. Midvast Protector, Polluted Dead, Wingcrafter is pretty cool. One that gives paired creatures flying. It's a pretty cool card. Uncommons, we have Devote Chaplain, Lightning Prowess, Builder's Blessing, and we got a Devastation Tide. Not bad. Pretty cool miracle card. I actually like that card a lot. Return all non-land permanents to their owner's hands. It's a 2 miracle. It's pretty good. We got this, a forest, and nice, a foil plains. Pretty beautiful. Pretty good pack. I was thinking Temporal Mastery, but this is still cool. I like this card a lot. Let's go to the second pack. That was easy to open that time. Let's see. I'm laying down because I'm so tired. I had a long day at school. Battle Hymn? That's actually a pretty good card. Natural End. My friend will probably want this, Kyle. Put that in that pile. Bone Splinters. It's a good card. Sack a creature. Destroy target creature. Pretty good. Handwear Lancer. Pretty good for draft. Nightshade Peddler. Another Thatcher Revolt. Pretty cool. Midvast Protector. Polluted Dead. Another Wingcrafter. Nice. Angelic Armaments is the uncommon. Tormentor's Trident. Tamden Lookout. And the rare is Druid's Repository. 2 green, 1 colorless. Whenever a creature you control attacks, put a charge counter on this card. Remove a charge counter, add 1 mana of any color to your pool. Not bad. I got a Tamayo emblem. That's pretty cool. I have Tamayo. And a foil Snare the Skies. Nice. 2 foils, 2 packs. Not bad. And a mountain. Let's go to pack 3. No foil. I just checked it out. Alright, we have a Lair Delve. A Mist Raven. Pretty good for pod. Soul Cage Fiend. Amass the Components. Voice of Provinces. I like this card a lot. Dreadwaters. That's a pretty cool card for mill. Seraph of Dawn. Sheltering World. Pretty cool. Defang. Pillar of Flame. Nice. I got, I think, 5 of those now. Vigilante Justice. Appetite for Brains. Not bad. Male Fed Twins. Pretty good pull. And a Tybalt. On a Tybalt pack. Very nice. That's pretty badass. That was a Tybalt pack, and I pulled a Tybalt. Very nice. So, I've gotten each of the Planeswalkers out of this set, so pretty damn good pull there. I don't know what he's going to be featured in for a deck, but if you guys don't know what he does, I'll quickly go through it. He's a 2-mana Planeswalker, which is the cheapest. His +1 is draw a card, then discard a card at random, so kind of like Desperate Ravings, but you just draw one card. -4, Tybalt the Fiend-Blooded deals damage equal to the number of cards in target player's hand to that player. And then -6, gain control of all creatures until end of turn. Untap them, they gain haste. So it's a pretty good finisher. Tybalt the Fiend-Blooded, you're in my collection. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed the pack openings, and I'll see you guys later. We'll see. Not too sure when I'll do another video. I'll probably do a fat pack soon. So next check. I'll see you. Thank you.